Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Uvicorn in Python on Windows 11. Uvicorn is a fast ASGI server commonly used with FastAPI. At the end of this video, I will also show you how to verify its installation. So hang in there. Alright, first let's confirm that Python and pip are installed correctly on your system. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon, then type cmd in the search. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, you are going to type python space hyphen version, hit enter. Then type pip space hyphen version, hit enter again. If you don't see the versions of Python and pip over here after running these commands, don't worry. I have already made separate videos on installing Python 3.14 and pip on Windows. Check the links in the description box and come back once that's done. But if the versions appear, you are good to go. Now let's create a Python project folder to keep things clean. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So use the mkdir command to create a folder. I am going to call it uvicorn_project. Hit enter. You can see uvicorn_project folder has been created on my desktop. Using the cd command, go inside this folder. Over here, we are going to create a virtual environment for Uvicorn. Type python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it uv_venv. Hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. Okay. Let's activate this virtual environment. So we are going to write the name of the virtual environment / scripts with capital S / activate. Hit enter. You can see the virtual environment has become active. This is going to keep Uvicorn and your project dependencies isolated. That's why we created a virtual environment. Now let's install Uvicorn. The command is very simple. It will be pip install Uvicorn. Hit enter. You can see the installation is begun. There you go. It ended very quickly and it says successfully installed Uvicorn 0.40.0. Let's verify its installation now. So start a Python prompt by just typing python import Uvicorn. If this import is successful, that means Uvicorn is successfully installed. That's proof number 1. Let's try to print its version as well. So within the brackets of print, we are going to type uvicorn _version . Hit enter. And there you go. It prints 0.40.0. That matches with the Uvicorn version that we just installed. And this proves that we have installed Uvicorn successfully in this virtual environment. The final step will be to deactivate the virtual environment because that's a good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Uvicorn in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.